Good morning, students. We can today start types of reflection. In the last class, we discussed various terms related to reflection of light. Today, the types of reflection. Depending upon the reflecting surface, there are two types of reflection. First is regular reflection, and second is irregular reflection. Which is also called diffuse reflection. Now, regular reflection means the reflection takes place from the smooth surface, and irregular reflection where the reflection takes place from the rough surface. Let us try to understand these two types of reflection by the help of a figure. We can see regular reflection where the surface will be smooth. So the incident ray that falls on the reflecting surface will be reflected in a regular manner. This is the reflected ray. That is, the incident ray falling on the reflecting surface will be even, and so the reflected rays will also get reflected in the smooth way. We can take another incident ray, it will also be reflected. Taking one more incident ray, you can see how the reflection takes place. Now, if you see carefully, you will find that in regular reflection, the incident rays are parallel to one another. Same way, the reflected rays are also parallel to one another. This is the case of regular reflection. Now you can take about irregular reflection where the surface will be rough, will not be smooth. So we can show the surface like this. Now here when the incident ray falls, it won't be falling in an even manner. You can see this is the incident ray. Now when it reflects, its reflection will be uneven. If suppose there is another incident ray falling, you can see the incident ray falling are not parallel. So the reflected ray will also not become parallel, it will be reflected in an uneven manner. And one more very important fact about irregular reflection is that it does not form a clear image. So we can have few differences between regular and irregular reflection. In regular reflection, the reflection takes place from a smooth surface, whereas irregular reflection takes place from a rough surface. Second, regular reflection gives a clear image, whereas irregular reflection does not form clear image. One more difference you can write, that in regular reflection, the angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. Because when you draw a normal between this incident and reflected ray, you will find these two angles are equal. But in case of irregular reflection, angle of incidence and angle of reflection are not equal. Let us see, if suppose a normal is drawn between incident and reflected ray, this angle and the angle of reflection are not looking equal at all. These are the major differences between regular and irregular reflection. So your homework will be to learn about regular and irregular reflection and also try to learn the differences between the two. Thank you.